In my last video, I taught us some very helpful tips on how to go from spending hours and even days doing some mini twists to finishing them in 2 to 3 hours, at most 4 hours. But the most important thing is how you loosen your mini twist so that you actually retain length instead of losing all the length that the hairstyle is supposed to help you retain. Keep watching this video and you'll learn exactly how to do that. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to loosen my mini twist, and I started very early in the morning. I literally just woke up and I just finished drinking my water. This is what my hair looks like after just 1 week. So if you remember in the tutorial video, I said I wanted to wear the hair for just 1 week. I was ready to wear for a longer time, but it was already getting so frizzy and Hamatan is here, so the weather is extra dry. One thing I'm going to do is watch a movie while I loosen my hair. So I was going to watch that true crime documentary, but I decided to finish The Empress. There's a new season of The Empress out. I love time period pieces. So let me just watch this. So I'm just going to get right into the process I'm following to loosen my twist. Yes, I'm still using the whip shea butter, and I don't spray water on my hair to loosen the twist. I don't use conditioner. I try not to even apply product because for me, I noticed that when I apply product, the hair is wet and it shrinks, and it just makes the entire process of loosening the hair take longer and just waste my time. I remember when it comes to doing my hair, I like to make sure I follow the most efficient processes to get the job done in record time. I just try not to use water, so I just apply some water on my palms to just make my palms not so dry. Even though I don't like using water to loosen my hair, I also don't like to use very dry palms to loosen the hair because dry palms will cause friction. That will also cause more breakage than I want to see. So I work with each individual twist. I don't use combs. I don't use any kind of styling tool to loosen the twist. I just take each individual twist and feel the twist, just feel the texture, feel where the hair is trying to separate, and then I just work my way from the end of the hair to my roots, unravel the hair in the opposite direction I twisted it, and then I put my finger between the parts, and you can see here that there is a little bit of a hook. So I just put my fingers there and just loosen it very gently. Very gently. When it comes to loosening twists that you've worn for some time, your keyword is patience. You don't want to rush this process because, like I said, you are trying to make sure you don't lose more hair than necessary. And mini twists are a protective style, which means that when you make the hairstyle, it's supposed to prevent your hair from breaking unnecessarily. And yes, the hairstyle is going to do that when you install it, but you also have to make sure that your takedown process also does not leave any room for unnecessary breakage. Is it just me, or I've said unnecessary up to 20 times since this video started? I'm not keeping track of all of the points I'm mentioning, but please don't forget to have your pen and paper by your side so you can write the things I'm saying down that you will need to help you out. So I'm taking down my twists. Because my twists are very small, I'm not using any styling tool, but please feel free to use a styling tool if you feel like you need one. I just prefer to feel my hair with my hands and be able to separate the knots wherever they are not. Remember, my hair type is 4B4C. My hair tangles very fast, knots up very fast, and so I don't like to give any room for any kind of mistake. And ever since I realized that I was lacking patience when it came to loosening my hairstyle, I just took out anything that was interfering with that patience. That's another one of the reasons why I just put a movie to watch while I loosen the hair, because when there is a movie to watch, you kind of won't feel the time passing you by, whereas if there is nothing like a movie, all I will do is just focus on my hair and I'll really feel every minute and every second that passes. So before you know it, I'll be getting frustrated with how long it's taking. By the way, this takedown, I think it took me over 4 hours. I started around 7ish a.m, and by the time I was done with loosening my hair, it was around 11 a.m. So that is about 4 hours. Yes. So now let's talk about maintenance. That is one of the most asked questions I get about mini twists when I do them. So there is maintenance, and then I'm also going to address starting my hair with a twist instead of braids. You can see the roots of my hair. My twists are still intact. I'm able to start with twists because I've been twisting my own hair for years now, so I've been able to master the technique that allows me to start with twist instead of starting with braids. I also said that starting with braids just takes more time for me, and when it also comes to loosening, it will take more time because then I will have to use a styling tool like a comb or a pin to loosen the braid. It will just take longer if I was going to do that with my fingertips. Whereas when it comes to starting with twist, I'm able to really grip my roots, make sure they are firm enough, and then twist my hair. And look at how easy this takedown process is. No waste of time whatsoever. I just put my hand in the middle from the roots and unravel it, separate the hair, and I'm on to the next twist. Now for maintenance, the maintenance for me is another very simple thing. I hear people say they moisturize their twist every day, they spray water every day, they apply oil every day. You can do that, that's fine. But for me, with my fluffy twist, the style that I twist my hair, my goal is to maintain volume. My goal is to make sure my hair stays full for as long as possible before I have to spray any water. So I only spray water and moisturize when the hair starts to feel dry, which could be days after I have done the hair or maybe sometimes a week after I've done the hair. For this particular twist, we are already in dry season, so the weather is extra dry, which is why I had to apply some water to it and then apply some oil and then apply some whipped shea butter. But generally for my maintenance, the only products I apply still is whipped shea butter. I don't go in with leave-in conditioner. I used to do all that in the past, but ever since I noticed that for my hair texture and type, it just means my hair will shrink, it will tangle, it will even start to lock up faster. I just avoided doing all that and I just stick with the whipped shea butter product that I use, and then I occasionally spray water when it is absolutely necessary. If you look at my hair, it already looks like it's starting to lock up, and this is just 1 week since I have been wearing these twists. There are some times when I will twist my hair, and the hair, when I loosen it, I will get some sort of twist out. You will see some sort of definition, but just look at how the texture of this hair is now. If I went outside by the time I was done loosening this hair, you wouldn't even know that I had twist in unless I mentioned it to you. Well, yeah, that's just one of those things. So once I'm done loosening a sizable section, I put it into twists like this to avoid it interfering with the rest of my hair while I continue to loosen the rest of my hair. So to round off my long speech, the rest of my hair, I loosened that, and then I didn't comb out my hair while it was dry. I combed it out while I washed. So I washed my hair immediately after I loosened it. I did the combing after I applied some conditioner to my hair. So the reason I did the combing when I was washing was to also make sure that I had even less breakage and hair loss compared to if I combed when it was dry, like here. So I'm going to show you guys the amount of hair that I lost from this technique of loosening the twist at the end of this video. But this technique, I think this has been the least amount of hair loss that I've had loosening twist so far. So when you see the amount of hair I lost, that's also the amount of hair I lost after I was done washing. So overall, I didn't lose a lot of hair, and this went really well. So this is the amount of hair I lost, and I'm just going to loosen these twists now and just kind of allow my hair breathe for a few minutes before I go into wash it. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. Everybody, please turn on your notification for my channel so you'll be notified when a new upload goes up. Everybody hit that thumbs up button to help this video reach more people on YouTube, to help the video get to the audience it needs to get to. And if you have any other helpful tips, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.